Outside Lagos, now the Registrar of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, Professor Ishaq Oloyede, has promised that the examination body will increase its annual grants to support tertiary institutions' infrastructure from 500 million naira to 750 million from next year. He disclosed this during the official donation of hospital equipment to the University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital. Ibrahim Alige has more.
The hospital equipment were facilitated by the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, JAMB. JAMB had collaborated with Project Cure, a US-based grant agency, for the donation of the quality medical equipment to 12 teaching hospitals across the 6 geopolitical zones. University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital is the first beneficiary. The Registrar of JAMB, Professor Ishaq Oloyede, says the intervention is meant to support government's efforts in addressing the huge infrastructural gap in the health sector. He promises that the examination body will still do more in years ahead.
We must also thank the government of Nigeria for the approval to increase the grant from 500 million to 750 million with effect from 2023, which means the 500 million that we give to institutions since the last 3 years are now being increased to 750 million.
The equipment are expected to assist the hospital in delivering on its core mandates, and this is attested to by the Chief Medical Director of the hospital, Professor Da Silva Yusuf.
This equipment you are giving us is really going a long way to assuage and to relieve us financially, and to also enable us to provide the necessary services to our teeming clientele. I want to appeal to JAMB. Please, you still have to go back to Project Cure. We should not limit it to the 12 institutions. We can then engage the general hospitals of the states, because that is the area where people actually go mostly.
On the education front, the JAMB Registrar calls on university unions to shelve their industrial action.
University-based labor unions to appreciate the irreparable damage of incessant strike on not just the students, but also on our nation, and therefore stop this unnecessary strike.
Both the academic and non-academic unions in Nigerian public universities are currently on strike. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ilorin.